So I'm sorry for clickbait title, first of all. And here's the disclaimer. I'm not a Rust programmer, like at all. And I did not come up with this. And this is whole story. We'll get to that. And maybe I'm completely wrong. And maybe colleagues can jump in and say that I'm wrong. But anyway, let's go in. Our objective right now is to shoot ourselves in the foot. So here the C++ program, here we have a pointer initialized, we have an object, a variable of type vector with some data, we get an address of that object, assign it to the pointer, then do some printing, and then do some printing again. Okay, this is kind of the setup that we want to keep in mind. So how do we shoot ourselves in the foot with this setup? This is pretty easy. We make the object destroy itself at the end of the scope. And so by kind of miracle, we can see that we still have some output here, but not a crash. And thus, in this way, we shoot ourselves in the foot. Okay, now let's go to Rust. Here's the kind of the same program. We have a reference here. We have an object of type vector with some data. This is a macro that allows us to construct a vector. We have assignment of reference to object. This is borrow syntax. We borrow a reference from to that object and assign it to the other reference. And we have some printing. Okay, so we want to kind of do the same trick. The object T is destroyed at the end of the scope. And the compiler tells us that we can do that, borrow checker, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here's the issue at Rust repository. We go here, we copy paste this code, we go back, we wrap our reference with this, and we have a live object when it is alive, and we have garbage when the object is destroyed at the end of the scope here. So this is very fascinating to me, and I couldn't help but sharing this. You can go and look into the details. They are kind of obscure, but kind of not. You can figure it out. This issue is very kind of old. It was filed on 2015. In 2015, it's almost 9 years old. It goes to 3rd grade right now. So it is not yet fixed. And thus far, I think that Rust is not safe, or let me say it the other way. C++ is not more unsafe than Rust, because Rust does not allow you to shoot yourself in the foot in a trivial way, but you just need like 5 or 6 or 7 more lines of code to do it. So who knows? Please tell me what's going on. And I think I'm done. Thank you.